Greetings from VSK Business Consultants Chennai. We are a dedicated connector between job seekers and employers, specializing in recruitment within Chennai's dynamic business environment. Our focus lies in facilitating strategic connections, particularly within vital non-IT sectors such as retail, manufacturing, distribution, and franchise operations. We understand the unique demands and challenges inherent in these industries, and we strive to provide tailored solutions for both individuals and organizations. For job seekers, whether freshers embarking on their career journey or experienced professionals seeking advancement, we offer comprehensive support. This includes personalized career guidance, meticulously crafted resume optimization, and access to a wide array of tailored job opportunities. We go beyond simply matching qualifications. We aim to align your professional aspirations with the right company culture, fostering long-term career satisfaction and growth. We understand the intricacies of each industry, from the fast-paced environment of retail to the complex logistics of distribution, and we provide the necessary support to navigate these sectors effectively. For freshers, we offer specific guidance on entering the workforce, developing essential professional skills, and presenting themselves effectively to potential employers. To streamline the process, we encourage all job seekers, both freshers and experienced, to upload their professional resumes directly to our user-friendly website, vsbusinessconsultant.in, ensuring immediate access to relevant opportunities. For employers, we provide comprehensive recruitment solutions designed to streamline the hiring process and identify top-tier talent, including enthusiastic and trainable freshers who represent the future of your workforce. Our rigorous screening process ensures that we present you with candidates who not only possess the necessary technical skills but also align seamlessly with your company's values, strategic objectives, and long-term vision. We recognize the importance of finding the right fit, whether it's a dynamic flow manager in retail, a highly skilled production supervisor in manufacturing, or a meticulous logistics expert in distribution. To ensure precise and efficient candidate matching, we encourage employers to upload detailed job vacancy information, including specific skill requirements and company culture details, directly to vsbusinessconsultant.in. Our commitment extends far beyond simply filling immediate vacancies. We are dedicated to cultivating enduring, mutually beneficial relationships, contributing to the professional growth of individuals and the sustained success of businesses within Chennai's crucial non-IT sectors. We are dedicated to organizing and recruiting for roles that drive business success, ensuring that our clients have the talent they need to thrive and grow. For any consultation regarding career opportunities or recruitment needs, please contact us at 9840-336-999. Visit our website www.vsbusinessconsultant.in for more information. Follow our WhatsApp channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram for the latest updates and job postings. Trust VSK Business Consultants to partner with you. Explore our comprehensive services and discover how we can assist you in achieving your professional goals at vsbusinessconsultant.in. VSK Business Consultants. Connecting talent, driving specialized success in Chennai.